Hello everyone, it's me Megha and you guys are watching me on YouTube channel that is @live with Megha, and this video gonna be blend of 2 days of study vlog, and the days are day 27 and day 28. Although study is not going well and days are also not going well क्योंकि कुछ खास पढ़ाई हो नहीं रही है. With lots of happiness, I wanna say that from tomorrow I will post study vlog regularly. I don't know what's going in my life because nowadays I did too much procrastination. This is very bad thing. There is darkness in all over the room, but there is a corner in my room where I study, and here there is no darkness. Right now I'm solving question on Gigs for Gigs. And here is that corner. And few minutes ago, I solved today's POTD on Gigs for Gigs and I earned 1 gig paid. And I completed 7 days of string by solving POTD or problem of the day on Gigs for Gigs. In DSA, I am on the topic linked list. So I had solved some question based on linked list topic on Gigs for Gigs. After that, I had solved question on CodeChef and I attend contest on CodeChef, and the name of that contest is Starter 184. So right now I'm going to solve this question. Thought for today's video is that if you want to make the world better, then take a look on yourself, make changes, stop worrying about what could go wrong and start focusing on what can go right. Currently I'm learning ratio and proportion by Career Ride, and before this I already learned this topic from Yes Sir. For getting good command on this topic, I decided that I will watch the video of Career Ride also, so that I have content and I have more variety of ratios and proportion questions. After that, I had listened this devotional music, and this picture is breathtaking, which is displayed on the screen. Well guys, I want to say that by doing this challenge, that is doing placement preparation in 1 month, I know it is not possible, but it ultimately broadened my horizons because this challenge and this commitment helps me to stay consistent, disciplined, humble, integrated towards my study and towards my goal. So by doing this challenge, I realized that I am 30% more consistent, disciplined, humble, integrated towards my study. I'm gonna do one more changes in my study routine, that is for DSA and Aptitude, there is one day for building concept and there is another day for solving problem based on that concept. And I think this is good way क्योंकि यार मैं ना रिवीजन बिल्कुल नहीं करती हूँ. मुझे रिवीजन करना पता नहीं क्यों नहीं पसंद है. मैं पढ़ लेती हूँ बहुत सारा, लेकिन अगर रिवीजन करने की बारी आती है तो मैं सोचती हूँ यार मेरा टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा, इससे अच्छा मैं आगे का पढ़ लेती हूँ. लेकिन मैं पीछे समझ ही रहे होगे कि रिवीजन नहीं कर पाऊँगी तो देन कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से बिल्ड नहीं हो पाएंगे. सो आई डिसाइडेड दैट फर्स्ट डे आई विल बिल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट एंड सेकेंड डे आई विल solve problem based on that concept, and I think this is good way to do study. It's WebD time and I decided to do coding in JavaScript, and I am on the topic JavaScript. So here I'm using alert and console in code. After that, I take a set for making notes of JavaScript, and I made the notes of JavaScript from Gigs for Gigs course, that is Full Stack Bootcamp Web Developer course. I love making notes and I try to make my notes attractive, not boring, so that at revision time I will study more. Making notes is important part of my study routine, and for making notes I use 3 pen, that is red, blue and black, and I use 3 sketch color also, that is yellow, pink and green. And this sketch color changes time to time, depends on my mood, but pen are not changes. For writing main heading, I use green sketch pen. For underlining, I use pink or yellow sketch pen. And for writing subheading, I use black pen. For writing definition, I use blue pen, and for writing output of the code, I use red pen, and in this way I made my notes. While making notes of JavaScript, I make sure that I will study the article. After that, I will make notes because copy pasting of notes is nothing. It is waste of time. Whenever I study, after the completion of my study, I make sure that I will organize my table, books, pen, laptop, and whatever the thing I use during study. बिकॉज़ यार अगर ये मिस फिर रह जाता है मॉर्निंग तक तो फिर कल पढ़ाई करने का मन नहीं करता इतना सारा फैला हुआ देख करके. राइट नाउ आई एम डन विथ मेकिंग नोट्स and I bind up my study and I am going to sleep. So firstly I sat down the laptop, and this writing pad is also a best part of my study on which I did sometime dry run, sometime I solve question of aptitude, and I organize my spec box. That's for today. Bye bye. See you in the next video. And yeah, keep shining and keep smiling. Subscribe for more.